Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here the ideal home for your extended family or as an investment or both. This 5-acre hillside mansion with its old world charm overlooking the Upton Golf Club and the Blue Caribbean beyond. This estate has two fully self-contained guest villas in close proximity to the main villa. This property affords 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, luxury accommodation for 18 people. The main villa or mansion has 4-bedroom ensuite with generous sized living, dining rooms that overflow into spacious covered verandas. Together with balconies on the second floor, these spaces afford extraordinary daytime vistas and beautiful evening sunsets for everyone. Nearby is a generous pool and spa cabana with summer kitchen, living room, daybed, made for daytime relaxation. Monticello has it all: exclusivity, privacy with modern day elegance amidst lush gardens while boasting a variety of fruit trees, electronic gate, video surveillance, and is fully fenced. Monticello has 5-star TripAdvisor accreditation. Guys, let's take a look at this beauty and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this property is US 3.2 million or Jamaican $492.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.